Today, I'm diving deep into the heart of Africa, where a complex tapestry of conflict, politics, and international interventions unfolds. In recent years, the DRC has been a hotspot for conflict, primarily in its eastern regions where numerous armed groups vie for control. The situation is so severe that it's not just a local issue, but a regional concern, drawing in the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. SADC's involvement in the DRC began earnestly in December, when troops were deployed under the banner of the SADC mission in Congo, also known as SAMI-DRC. This move was part of a mutual defense pact. However, the effectiveness and capacity of SADC to restore peace in the region are being seriously questioned. One of the most pressing challenges facing SADC troops is the M23 rebel group, which has been a significant destabilizing force. Despite the regional support, the troops struggle to make substantial headway. Financial constraints are a major stumbling block. The lack of sufficient funding, similar to the challenges faced by SADC's mission in Mozambique, complicates the success of their peacekeeping efforts. Now you might wonder, where's the funding supposed to come from? Analysts have pointed out that support from multilateral organizations like the United Nations and the European Union is crucial. Yet, this financial support is still pending, leaving troops on the ground in a precarious position. Meanwhile, the Congolese government under President Felix Tshisekedi has been pushing for a complete withdrawal of the United Nations peacekeeping mission known as MONUSCO by the end of 2024. This move comes at a critical time when attacks by rebel groups are intensifying and millions of Congolese citizens are displaced and live in areas previously protected by MONUSCO. The call for MONUSCO's departure raises significant concerns. Once the UN bases were handed over to the Congolese government, they fell into rapid disrepair, plagued by plundering and desertion. This situation starkly illustrates the challenges that lie ahead if MONUSCO withdraws completely. Critics argue that the focus on expelling MONUSCO is a strategic error, diverting attention from the Congolese security forces' inability to protect its citizens. The overarching question then remains, is SADC's intervention effective, or is it merely a band-aid on a bullet wound? With regional troops struggling, financial hurdles, and a government potentially unprepared for the security vacuum that could follow MONUSCO's exit, the path to peace in the DRC seems fraught with obstacles. It's a reminder of the complexities of international interventions in conflict zones and the dire need for coordinated, well-funded regional efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and let's continue to watch how this critical situation unfolds in the heart of Africa.